Hello YouTube, welcome to Wiki Universe. The question, how much is going to cost me to put a gazebo in my backyard and install it? Okay, first the gazebo. If you buy a gazebo with a metal roof, they will start from 900 up, 1000 and more. If it doesn't have a metal roof, then it will be less than 900, from between 200 and 900 dollars. This specific one, that is a metal roof gazebo. This is a 10 by 10 feet gazebo. It comes with a mosquito net, and you also have the canvas for privacy. The furniture, this is a patio furniture that if you want to put in, this is a 7-piece specifically, and it'll cost you around $600-700 with the table and a glass on the table. If you want to put some plants like we have here, all the plants that you see here are roughly around $400. Then you have a fan, just a normal ceiling fan, around the cheapest $30-40. And basically everything will cost you around $2,000, and that's if you do it yourself. If you hire people to install your gazebo, that'll be at least between $400 and $600 for the metal roof gazebo to be installed. And for the patio furniture, will be probably another $100 to $200 to install your furniture. And that's how the whole gazebo will look like. And that's, like I said, a metal roof gazebo. With some plants for decoration. Of course, you need to have the fan with the light and everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check our playlist.